Do you have knee pain that you just can't get rid of? Today we're going to look at why your knee pain could be coming from your hip and not your knee. So when you take a look at the muscles that actually move the knee, the hamstrings will bend the knee and the quads will actually straighten the knee out. And so that should make sense. Those muscles go forward and backwards because they're on the front and the back of your leg. But when we take a look at your knee, it can collapse in, it can go out to the side, it can twist side to side. But the muscles that do those are actually up at the hip. So we need to take a look at the hip to see if those are actually what's causing your knee pain. You can try this simple test to see if you would benefit from strengthening your hip. Start out standing on top of a box. This is about 6 inches. So you can start at 4 inches if you need to. And you're going to try to tap your heel down without dropping your hips at all. So keep your hips nice and level and just bend your knee, drop your heel on the opposite side straight down. If you have good hip control, you'll notice that my knee is staying right in line over the top of my foot. Whereas if your hip control is not great, what's going to happen as you go down, your knee's going to dive inwards. And so that indicates that you probably have some hip weakness as a contributor to your knee pain. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please follow this channel for more PT, wellness, and health content.